G'day guys, Jakob here from All Purpose Coatings and welcome back to another Showroom Talk. Today we will be discussing the lifespan of your brand new epoxy floor. We're going to talk about what affects the lifespan, how different installation practices can affect the longevity, as well as how long you can expect out of your floor in a few different areas of application. So let's jump straight in. How long will my epoxy floor last? This is a big question and one that we hear a lot here at All Purpose Coatings. The longevity of your floor is a driving decision behind choosing epoxy as the correct flooring solution for you. After all, it's not just a new floor, it's an investment into your property, so you want to make sure it lasts. We find that the longevity of your floor comes down to three main factors: selecting the correct system for your space, how the system is applied and the preparation before application, and maintaining the system after application has been completed. So let's dive in and check out selecting the right system for you. Selecting the correct system for your space is the cornerstone of extending the lifespan of your epoxy floor. And when selecting your system, it is important to consider the environment that the floor will be installed in. All Purpose Coatings manufactures a commercial grade epoxy resin for use in residential applications all the way through to industrial settings. We boast a range of systems from our tried and true plain coat all the way through to the highly decorative metallic system, from your standard ultra flake and an essential finish all the way through to a high build 2 to 4 mil matrix system. It is this wide variety of systems and finishes that has allowed us to make sure we have the right fit for your floor every single time. For example, for use in residential settings through your home or kitchen, we would recommend a flake system. They're seamless, easy to clean, they don't harbor bacteria, and it will extend the lifespan of the floor. Conversely, selecting a system for your driveway or entertainment area, you may opt for a grip finish or quartz shield system, as the quartz inside them is durable, long-lasting, thereby extending the lifespan of the floor. However, if you opt for something like glass or our dimple product, these are better suited to foot traffic or low-intensity areas, as they are not as hardy as quartz and the lifespan of the floor would be reduced. When considering a system for a commercial or industrial practice, you may consider the plain coat system, as it has a higher level of chemical resistance and abrasion resistance than a tinted polyurethane or polyaspartic, thereby extending the lifespan of the floor. All of these choices play a part in selecting the floor that is right for you. If you're unsure about what flooring system might be the best for your space, feel free to check out any one of our other videos linked here for you, or give our team a call and we can help you through it. Next up, we have application. The preparation and application of your new floor is arguably the most important part of the process. After all, there's no point in selecting the correct system if it's not applied correctly. Here at All Purpose Coatings, we recommend a 5-coat system. Other manufacturers or people in the industry may recommend a 3-coat system. We recommend a 5-coat system for multiple reasons, such as greater resistance to lifting from the substrate due to the presence of a mechanical bond with the concrete, as well as a chemical bond between coats of epoxy, greater protection of your flake, quartz, or decorative media from the entrapment coat and UV top coat, as well as greater overall resistance to abrasion due to the thicker build height on the floor. If you'd like more information on just how important correct application and preparation of substrate is, you can check out the video we've left for you up here. And finally, we land on maintenance. Your epoxy floor is complete. How do you look after it best to extend its lifespan? All Purpose Coatings recommends using pH neutral cleaners on your floor. Whilst epoxies are chemical resistant to a degree, regular contact with acids and bases like bleach can change the color and compromise the coating. We also recommend mopping, sweeping and vacuuming the floor as opposed to mechanical cleaners or scrubbers, as the abrasive action can also compromise the coating. The same goes for steam mops. Epoxy is heat resistant up until about 90 degrees, and the heat from the steam can soften your floor. So just a regular bucket and mop is plenty. At the end of the day, the maintenance of your floor really does come down to general day-to-day tidiness. Things like sweeping and vacuuming every other day, and knowing what suits your system best. Things like if you had a metallic floor, you would install felt feet underneath the feet of your furniture. All Purpose Coatings does have a free cleaning and care guide available on our website that details all of this and will help you get the most out of your brand new floor. We also manufacture a clean and shine product that pairs perfectly with your floor, that is pH neutral and help you keep it looking fresher for longer. And there you have it, guys. Everything you need to know about maintaining your floor. But how long does it actually last? If you select the correct system, it's applied in correlation with our spread rates and guidelines, and you maintain it, you could be looking at a brand new living room floor that lasts 10 to 20 years. We have customers that have had theirs down for 25 years and they're still going strong. With regular cleaning, your new warehouse could last 5, 7, even 10 years before it needs recoating, but it all comes down to the area of application. It really does depend on everything we've spoken about so far. Here at All Purpose Coatings, our range of residential, commercial and industrial flooring systems are literally built for the Australian conditions to make it that much easier for you to extend the lifespan of your floor. With branches all across Australia and a team that is dedicated to helping you, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out in either an email or a phone call, or drop into your nearest branch and have a chat with the staff here. But until then, guys, catch you in the next one.